Hi! The goal of today's video is to introduce the CAD bin library of Diamantek, a door handle factory in ProdLib environment. If you have downloaded and installed ProdLib, you will see a green envelope ProdLib Manager on your desktop. After clicking on the icon, the standalone desktop app will open. Here you can see all the available CAD bin libraries and different filtering possibilities in order to find the product that you need. As an example, we will use Diamantek Product Library. After clicking on the book-shaped icon, you will see the primary data of the selected library. For example, the availability of different languages and softwares that are supported. In this case, the library is in English, and it is supported by Autodesk AutoCAD and Revit. In addition, from the Options tab, it is possible to update, make shortcuts to the desktop, or uninstall the library. When clicking on the arrow-shaped icon, the Diamantek standalone desktop library starts. The library has all the product selection that Diamantek offers. Each of the product categories has an illustrative picture. The final table of the selected product type describes the specific characteristics of the product. Next to the table, there is a picture of the product with parameters that gives a clear overview which parameters are described in the table. In addition, there is a mark if there exists a CAD file with the selected product. If you have a PDF software in your computer, you can access and view all the PDF information. In this case, the product drawing, product catalog and installation guidelines. And if you have AutoCAD in your PC, you can also open AutoCAD files directly. Let's move on to AutoCAD. ProdLib works as an add-in for AutoCAD full version. When clicking on ProdLib and selecting the Diamantek library, it will start the library. Here we see the same information as before when we started the library from the desktop application. Let's select the category Classic and Classic Coke and select the first option from the table that also has a CAD mark and insert it into my AutoCAD project. As a second example, let's choose Metropole Old SFOE and select from the table the second row that has a CAD mark and insert the selected drawing into my AutoCAD project. As seen, the library is a very simple and effective tool. If used correctly, it gives the possibility to save a lot of time in the manufacturer, engineer or architect's everyday work. Let's move on to Revit. The same way as demonstrated with AutoCAD, ProdLib works in Revit as well. Here we have a simplified model of a building that has some windows and doors. When clicking on the selected library, it will open. When the library is open, let's choose a product. For example, Elegance Soak PK3K. As seen from the table, the selected type comes in many different sizes. Let's choose the size 832 and click on the Revit icon and insert. Let's add selected door handle to a door in the model. When clicking on the inserted door handle, we can see the possibilities that the door handle model offers. Firstly, I can select and edit the material of the door handle. For example, instead of standard IC 304 polished, I can choose the premium IC 316 brushed material. Secondly, I can select and edit the wood material of the handle. The standard selection has natural oak wood, but I can change it into brown or black oak wood that comes with the premium selection. In addition, some more information is attached into the model that can be seen under clicking Edit Type. There we can see information about the manufacturer, homepage and the series name of the product. And as an extra information, in case you do not find a suitable door handle in the library, please contact the manufacturer. The type size of the door handle can also be edited directly from Revit by clicking on the menu on the left and selecting a different size. Last but not least, there is a possibility to see the library's content directly from the web at ProdLib environment. Going there, selecting Diamantek and choosing the product Elegant Soak PK3K 632. You will see the same product picture as in the desktop app and also the size parameters of the product. Here it is possible to download the Revit model, PDF product catalog and PDF installation guide. But in order to use the library as effectively as possible, we recommend to download and install the ProdLib desktop app and look for a suitable product library.